speaking on why data intelligence matters in chemistry. So I'll be talking about my thesis, my MSc thesis. So when I was doing my, firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Said for this wonderful. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, we can hear
we
you.
can hear you.
All right.
Please proceed.
I said I want to thank Dr. Said for this wonderful opportunity, and to everyone that is present, I appreciate you all. So I'll be talking about data intelligence in chemistry. So I'll be looking on my MSc thesis, which is evaluation of grain synthesis on nanoparticles. So the reason why I will be giving that as an illustration is data intelligence, it helps a lot. The reason why it matters most especially is during my thesis, there's no reason for trials and errors. It saves time, it saves energy, it saves chemical. You know, in chemistry, chemical is very expensive. So you need to input. We have previous people, there's nothing new anymore. We have people that has done several theses, so you collect abstract from them, and that is data. So with the use of their data, you add intelligence to it. It saves you time and it gives you great performance. Data intelligence. What is data intelligence? Using advanced analytics to predict, to understand. So using data analysis in my chemistry, it will make me to be able to predict. It will make me to understand the particles. When I was using synthesis in nanoparticles, UV visible, we send our particles to out for analysis using UV visible NMR. When the data is sent back to us, we can predict what particles in it. We can be able to say if the antimicrobial activities will work well, if this can kill malaria, if it is very active on antimicrobial. It is through data that you can predict all of this. Without data, you can do nothing. Then extracting wisdom in data, it is when the intelligence comes in. You need your intelligence. You need the intelligence of using machine learning, using artificial intelligence. In chemistry, we also use deep learning. So that is when we have the Excel, we have Python. So if I'm to plot graph in chemistry, it is much easier when I use Excel. I input my data and it brings out everything that I need to plot. It makes the work easier, faster. Let's go to drug discovery too. In health sector, it helps them, it saves time. Even in chemistry, all of these elements that we have, the zinc oxide, then it used to take years, it used to take 20 years, 15 years before elements are discovered, before drug discovery. But now it is easier, it is faster, and it is cheap. So that is why data intelligence to me is important. So we need to tell it to the future that data, it is not about collecting data or storing data anymore. It is about the intelligence in data. Also, I want to thank everyone once again. That is my aspect of data intelligence in chemistry. And also data intelligence is like a catalyst. Catalyst, we all know, it speed up the rate of reaction. So data intelligence speed up whatever we need to do. It does not replace human. It only speed up the activities we need to do. It makes the work easier, faster. That is why we have it. Work smarter and not harder. It makes us to work smarter. Thank you, everyone.